Hello, my name is Toby Paik, and today is quite the special day because I finally get to own the pedal that I've always dreamed about. I apologize for my hair. I have not cut my hair in 100 days and... 100 days. I have not cut my hair in 100 days and I finally booked my haircut on the 22nd, which is a few weeks from now, so hopefully I will not look like this. Anyway, this is what I'm reviewing today. The Emerson booster pedal. It's called Scranton Screamer. Made in the USA. It's got a signature on it as well, so I'm assuming it's authentic. Anyway, let's unbox this and test this out, shall we? Okay, let's see what we've got here. Hopefully something amazing.
Something amazing, I guess.
Well, there you go. Extremely exciting stuff, right? Literally just one pedal, no instructional manual or a sticker or anything like that, just there we go. I do like the artwork. I do not know what all these knobs do, and I didn't even know there was a toggle switch here. So there's one toggle switch and 4 knobs and
knobhead.
Does this even... I do definitely, however, dig the artwork, and that's all that matters. So there's that. Let's see what this sounds like, shall we? By the way, I figured out how to use this. So the bottom toggle controls this section of the knobs, and then if you flick it up, it switches over to the right knob, so 2 separate channels, if you will. Yeah. Thank you very much for sending me this pedal, Joe from Sweetwater. Appreciate it. I will cherish this pedal. I like the artwork. I might hang it up on the wall instead of using it, but if I do use it, I will only play one song only. Thank you for watching. Until next time.